So guys, we're here sa papuntang downtown. We're going to downtown, biking lang guys. Nice view. So we're beside the lake, the river. Biking beside the river guys. So nice. So all the way there, going to downtown is the lake. And the other side is the zoo. Right. River. Papunta kami St. Patrick Park guys. Ito yung view namin, oh. Daming bulaklak, white flower. Ganda.
We're here facing to Calgary Tower. You see that? That's the one of the tourist spot in Calgary. Come and visit guys. Come on.
So that restaurant is revolving guys.
Yeah.
So nag-revolve yan habang kumakain, nag-revolve around downtown Calgary. 360 restaurant. Downtown Calgary. So papunta tayo ng St. Patrick Park, which is one of the best park here.
See the bridge.
St. Patrick Park. So mga kapordoy, nag-break muna kami kasi na kami, napapagod na sa pagbabike. Nasa po tayo, St. Patrick Park. Katabi po nito yung zoo. Tapos kabila, Port Calgary po. Ito po yung St. Patrick. So mali may barbecue area po siya. Then may park. Ito po yung park natin. A calm and relaxing park. Great place to enjoy for walking, biking along the river. It has playground and picnic and barbecue areas. So much fun to do with the family. St. Patrick Park is absolutely beautiful. Woo! Kita mong view guys. Here's our view. Already biking. There's a bridge, another bridge. Beside tayo sa Bull River, kung saan kami nag-rafting. Ito po. So biking naman tayo, yung dinaanan namin, iba-bike naman namin. So this is it. Nice.
Another adventure, another bike adventure.
Another bike adventure. Nasa river po tayo, tabi ng river po. There we go. Our view for today. Ito po yun guys. We're here in Tabing Ilog.
Another casino place.
So that's downtown Calgary guys, if you see. Calgary Tower. Enjoy your life without spending a lot of money. Taking time to explore around where you live is always fun and a great way to relax. So just enjoy of what you have. Guys, ganda ng view guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, ring in the bell button para updated kayo sa mga bagong activities namin. Please like, share, and comments. Thank you.